taco for dog. Are you fucking serious? Let's go.
Esto es pa' que te mortifique, mastique, trague, trague, mastique. Yo.
Stop.
Stop it!
Excuse you? That was like a mile for you. Are you kidding?
Hello. Hello, Jackie.
Hey, yo.
Mom! Mom! Mommy! Mommy! Mama! Mama! Mama!
What?
Hi.
Jump.
Life is short. Be like him. Enjoy the little things. Only God knows what will it do with that thing.
Still fast as boy. Come get some. Do you have any idea how fast I am?
Rarely do we see a cat which is this fearful. Technology does have power. Though how curious they are, before strange things, cats can be as frustrated as humans seeing a UFO.
And the dog's alone. And the dog's alone.
You like that? What's your issue? Who are you talking to? Who is you talking to?
Okay, he starts looking like a robot with that magical tongue. Truly talented. Wanna have a beautiful body? Learn this, cat. She does yoga every day. Bro looks like a tired man waking up early in the weekend. Cat owners should start thinking about buying insurance. Seriously.
Is a rogue U.S. military asset and a danger to public safety. NORAD has deployed Reaper drones equipped with missile systems to conduct global orbital sweeps ready to scramble at the first satellite picture.
If you like.
Это енот.
You guys, somebody get the mouse. He's literally not scared of any of you.
Copying that fast? Gotta say he has the brain of a genius. Being boss isn't easy at all. You'll have to look after your staff all the time.
چیکار میکنی؟ دوست
So here, son. This is your neighbor. Try to get along, shall ya?
Hey, you missed. You missed. Hey, you missed again, bro. Oh, you're embarrassed. You're embarrassed. You're embarrassed.
Hi, baby.
What is he?
Yo lo que supe, Lupe, no porque yo sea chismos, porque yo estoy hablando con Doña Ut.
Pero...
Oh my God. Carter! 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 What? Oh my... That was my pozole, Carter!
So this event, the most important thing for her is just to hit routine.
Some cats are nice because they know how to release their anger. Having an assistant can make life much easier, as you can see. When both brothers in the house have that giant ego. Having a cat can bring you such unexpected benefits. Like in a good day, it can become a tarot reader. If cats have a Michelin guide, humans' arm must be their 3 stars choice.
Gabby, oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
There are thousands of sparkling stars inside a dog's eyes when there is food.
Boo-boo. What are we doing here? Are we quadding? We're in hang mode. Yeah.
Well, once you've fallen in love, only you can free yourself. Her heart. That's right, buddy. Practice more and you'll win. Romance is probably still a distant concept for cats, unlike fighting.
The flavors are melting on my tongue.
Sometimes being indecisive can lead to a total fail, kitty.
Show me your bad dog. I don't want to see any of these like good boys and good girls sitting for a cookie. Show me that bad dog. I want the one who...
Cats are so sensitive that every staring contest ends up in a fight.
Please. No personal space. She's looking at me.
Trying to water the plants.
So, escape, freedom, release, finding solutions, options, relief, taking control. All right, kitty, we can handle that.
Living is endlessly challenging yourself, and Mr. Kitty here has nailed it perfectly. Say what you will, but cats are born warriors. Size doesn't matter.
Okay, here.
And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video. We can be old, but there will always be someone keeping us young.